Hello, fellow drone enthusiasts. I came into this hobby not knowing about battery management. So I spent a lot of money on buying tons of batteries and wondering why they're only lasting like a week or 2 weeks. And the guy I was at the drone shop, Tampa Drones, and Clint said, dude, battery management, man. So he told me to research it, check them out, check out the different drones. Actually, he just gave me a little charger. It's a little charger like this right here. It checks the battery. And so I started doing research. This one's at 3.8 right here. So that's in storage charge. So I also found out about storage charge doing battery management. But now that I've learned a little bit more about the hobby and the battery management, my batteries are a couple of months old now. Same batteries. I haven't had to buy any more batteries. So now, my first battery charger that came with the kit was something similar to this right here. My second one that gave me time was this one right here. I really like this one right here, but I still couldn't store. I didn't know what it was unless I went through and checked it out. Checked out this. I moved up to battery cards, battery chargers, meters, unless I went and checked out each and every individual one. So I came upon this one right here because this one also powers the big boy batteries. This is a 4S. This is not, I repeat, this is not a parallel board. This is a serial board. So it would take, these are four lipos in here. It's 4 lipos in here. This is 5 lipos here. So we're gonna make it 6 when I plug this in. So with this right here, we just move this here to balance. And normally this would be 4, I always go to 4.2. I don't overcharge. And on my OSD, I have it where it's at like 3.5. So between 4.2 and 3.5, that's what I've been flying with since I bought these new batteries. They're still kicking, they're still good. So I bought this off Amazon. It's called Hobby Fly. The other one's a little bit more expensive. I also bought a parallel board, but I found out about the dangers of that. So as you can see, this says 6S. This is balance. Also, it has fast charge storage, which is very important. When you come back from flying, you put it in storage if you're not going to use it for a while. Might last one day on a high storage. You go fly. If not, then just drop it back to put it on storage. Or charge it if just put it on storage. If you're going to fly, then we use balance. So right now I'm about to balance these out. With these board here, wherever you're at, so if it's a 2S, I would pop this up, 3S, so forth. So this is 6S right now. So I pop this up right here. I change this to 4.2. Then I just hit right here. Connection break. Something's not connected. Oh, I changed these up without changing them back. So let's try it again. Until there. So the last one that's on there, whether it's be 2, 4, 6, or whatever number, that one has to be up. Otherwise, you'll get a connection break. Other than that, that powers the power loops, and that's about it. So any questions, leave some comments and and I'll get back with you guys. Peace out. Thank you.